What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm gonna just answer a question of Prelim Holder, who asked this question: how to get this type of metronome sound. And also, I'd like to thank Mike Rivera for watching the video and leaving that really wonderful comment. Thank you so much, brother. So let's get to it. If you want to toggle on and off the metronome, you can press the C button on your keyboard to toggle on and off, right? Or you can come here and click on it, right? And then you can see on the right side there is a metronome setup button, the E button, right? Just click on it and you have these options. Okay, I'm not going to cover all of this because it's going to take a long time, so I'm just going to get to the answer for this question. So I'm going to go to click sound here. Okay, so currently I'm using custom sounds, right? This is a Clave A, and when you click on this tab, the default will be use Steinberg click sound, this one. So this is how it sounds. So this is a standard Steinberg click sound, but currently I'm using a custom one, which is also from the Cubase. It's not something that I uploaded. So this is the one that we have here. So Clave A, this is the one that I'm using currently. Okay, and we have a bunch of different sounds here. We can use the cowbell, right? And we can use the egg shaker. Let's try another one, maybe hi-hat. Okay, let me just loop this one right now. Hang on. Okay, so that's the sound. Actually, there's more. You can actually come and like kind of explore. It sounds good as well. But if you want to add your own custom sound, you can do that as well. What you can do is you can click on this button here, and it's gonna open up the folder where you keep all your sounds. I mean, you can just go and browse to the folder that you keep all your sounds, and you can choose some of these sounds. Look. Okay, let's start with this percussion one. Nope. Okay, that sounds better, so I'm gonna open that. So the first beat is gonna play this particular percussion sound which I uploaded, right? So if I'm happy with this sound, I can just come and hit OK. So my metronome is gonna sound like so. But if you're not happy with it, you can go back to the metronome setup, go to click sounds, and choose the other sounds that you want. So Prelim Holder, that's how you change the sound of the metronome. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and share this video to everybody that might want to know how to do it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.